welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, I am Laudiaann, I go by Coach Laudiaann. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mindset for Success. I share about myself, and there goes my dog, Gigi. She's sitting on the chair right there, and she's so precious. Hi, Gigi. Anyway, I am actually reading my book on YouTube channel for dummies. All right. YouTube channel for dummies is a really good book, especially if you're serious about building your empire YouTube channels on YouTube. And now, if you're a YouTuber, of course, you're not just going to make one channel. You're going to make multiple channels. Okay. So far I have 2 channels that are monetized, my craft channel, Crochet with Coach Laudiaann, and this channel. All right. And I read a lot of information every day. I take little nuggets and I grab information everywhere from other YouTubers, people that are actually serious, making money on YouTube. There's leaders out there. They share how they grow their channel. They share every tool that is necessary to build your YouTube channel. Okay, I wanted to actually share with you this morning, and today is August the 22nd. It's Sunday, 2021, and I wanted to share, if you're a regular subscriber coming back to my channel, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, browse through all my other videos before you subscribe to my channel. But smash the like button and leave your comments. I'd like to hear your feedback on my videos. Actually, it helps me, guides me how to make better videos for you, better content for you, and to deliver solutions for what you need. Okay, so I'm reading in this book, chapter 12. It talks about how and why businesses use YouTube. Now, YouTube is a really great place where you can grow your business. Let me read this report. YouTube now reports that it receives over 1 billion unique visitors per month who watch over 6 billion hours of a video during that period. They're watching from desktops, laptops, tablets, smartphones, smart TV, game console, and pretty soon from intelligent watches. They're watching around the world and over 60 countries. In fact, 80% of YouTube views occur from outside of the United States. Whether a YouTube video is played lies a potential opportunity to help your business. And, I actually noticed that in my studio, a YouTube studio in the back office of my channel. I noticed that a lot of people from outside the countries are actually leaving comments on my videos. A lot of views. I get a lot of views from different countries, and I'm so glad that YouTube is worldwide, because some of the countries don't have a lot of, much going on, especially the secluded countries that maybe like Africa, they're not in the city, they're in the suburbs, they live outside, where there's not much entertainment, can't go anywhere. I live in Southern California, so there's many things to do in Southern California. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, all right, the easiest way to do that is to create your very own YouTube channel. All right. And you got to understand video marketing. Okay, so you want to pick a niche, and you're going to stay with that specific. It might be cooking, might be maybe it's a exercise channel, hobby channel, whatever you want to create, but you want to stick to that particular marketing audience. And you don't want a channel to go multiple places. You only want to talk about one thing, one subject. So if you're going to create the YouTube channel, create one channel at a time. Anyway, this channel is about mindset, but it's about motivation, speech, my lifestyle, living a successful life. So I just talk about the things that I do, but I talk about different things about me and myself and my business. So most of the time, that's what I'm going to be talking about, because the fact is that you can't control your channel, what your channel is going to be. At first, when I created this channel, it was like, didn't know what I was going to talk about, what this channel was going to be about. But the way things are turning about this YouTube channel that I've created, people are responding to the motivational videos. So those are the videos that I'm actually going to be promoting. All right. Things that I learned on YouTube, things that are going to help you grow. People want to hear hopeful things that are going to set them up with the right vision. And actually, your audience is actually going to tell you what kind of videos that you need to create that they really like and enjoy. So I didn't think about making this channel. I was actually going to make it like make money online. I do make money online, but now it's going towards the confidence level, the self-esteem, the motivational, the inspirational. A lot of people are loving those kind of videos. So that's what this channel is going to talk about most of the time. And then once in a while, I talk about the things that how I make money and generate money online. But that's not going to be all the time. So this is a kind of like a business channel, but is also a reaching out to the star of being a successful entrepreneur and marketer online. All right, guys, I thank you for watching my video. Thank you for stopping by. I'm just wanted to talk about why it is important to start a YouTube channel. And if you want to take your business to the next level, the easiest way to market your business is starting a YouTube channel. All right, talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to smash and like that and leave a comment. And I will talk to you all later and see you in the next video. Bye.